Okay, children. So in this slide, we will see the definition is sometimes natural substances become resources only when their original form has been changed. So when the natural substance's original form changed, it is called human-made resources. Such as, for example, we can see to make buildings, bridges, roads, and vehicles, which are known as human-made resources. Children, technology is also a human-made resource. Here we can also see the example like iron ore was not a resource until people learned to extract iron from it. Right? So human resources, people like us use natural resources to make human-made resources. In next slide, we will see the meaning of human resources. Human resources refers to the number, quantity, and abilities. Which kind of abilities? Like mental and physical of the people. Though there are differing views regarding treatment of humans as a resource. One cannot deny the fact. Okay, students. So here from the definition, you can understand that the skill of human help in transferring the physical material into a valuable resource. That's why people are human resource. People can make the best use of nature to create more resource when they have the knowledge, skill, and the technology to do so. That is why human beings are a special resource. People are human resource. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource, improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources. Right, children? Here we can also see that humans are interdependent on each other. For an example, farmers provide food grains for everyone. Right? Scientists suggest various means to combat problems related to agriculture and improve farm production. So here you can see we all humans are interdependent on each other. Correct? So these are called human resources. Student, in this slide, we will talk about conserving resources. So how we can conserve these resources? Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Right? So we can use these resources carefully and we should give them time to get renewed. So how we can conserve? In 3 ways: reducing, recycling, and reusing. For an example, children, we will see here that some packets and shopping bags out of old newspaper, discarded clothes and baskets from bamboo sticks. We can make these all things from waste out of waste to save our resources and to keep our earth alive. So we can make it reuse these all old things. Reducing, you can use it in reducing way. It means if you need water, maybe if you need water in that much quantity, then you can use less quantity for that. Recycling also, you can make the things from again. That recycling is we can say the waste bottles. You can use these bottles to recycle them. Okay, children, in this chapter, our today's last topic is sustainable development. Here we will see the definition of sustainable development. First is balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. So we should use these resources in balanced way. Second definition here we can see is carefully utilizing resources so that besides meeting the requirements of the present also takes care of future generation. So we should use these resources as our requirement, otherwise it will be not then our future generation will not get any these kinds of resources. Children, if we are not careful, then even renewable resources can become very scarce and the non-renewable ones can definitely get exhausted. Here we can see one example of water, right? Then like water seems to be an unlimited renewable resources, but short. Students, this is our last slide of today, that some principles of sustainable development. Here we will see some principles of sustainable development. Number 1, respect and care for all forms of life. Number 2, improve the quality of human life. Number 3, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. Number 4, minimize the depletion of natural resources. Number 5, change personal attitude and practices towards the environment. We should take care of environment. Number 6, enable communities to care for their own environment. So these are the principles of sustainable development. Like this, we can save our environment and nature. Children, watch these all videos carefully and try to understand this lesson.